above your head. Keep it above your head. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Look at Mama. You're dry, aren't you? Because you're using your umbrella. Yay! You like using your umbrella? Yeah? We need to find you some rain boots so you can jump in the puddle. You got your Princess Sophia umbrella? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Sydney wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.